In today's video, we will be sharing with you a recipe that could absolutely be a game changer for the trajectory of your natural health journey. This recipe reveals a secret that so many people totally sleep on. They miss it. They read the book. They're like, I read the Mucusless diet book.
Is that not enough?
In so many ways.
Then they miss this type of recipe that can absolutely change your life. Now, I've worked with a number of people that were former raw foodists, but they got to a point where they could no longer digest food on their own. And they're like, why? I'm eating perfect. I have a perfect raw food diet. Why am I having problems? Then I recommend a recipe like this, and all of a sudden, they're having natural bowel movements again. They feel a lot better.
Hey everybody, look, I pooped in the big potty.
Why? Because it's all about the system and the systematic application of Mucusless diet healing system with the transition diet, with the short-term fasting, with the ancillary therapies, lemon juice, distilled water enemas, so on and so forth. Now, if you are a hardcore, staunch raw foodist, I love you. But this video is probably not for you. If you think that all cooking is automatically evil, that there is no place for any kind of cooked food ever, for any human ever in this life, then this is not going to be the video for you. So you can skip this one, but come back if you ever in the future, you start going through some kind of eliminations, you're not feeling good, you can maybe refer back to this video, and a recipe like this could actually save your life as opposed to going back to, which has unfortunately been the pattern where folks go from hardcore raw food to hardcore carnivorism.
Oh, God, man, please tell me you're joking.
Not everybody, but that happens far too often, and it's because people have neglected to deal with this type of recipe to actually deal with situations in their physiology. So I want to read really quickly. This is Confusion in Dietetics Part 2, Lesson 12 from the Mucusless Diet Healing System. Raw fruits, and if desired, raw green leafy vegetables form the ideal food for humans. That is the Mucusless diet. But the Mucusless diet as a healing system uses raw, rough vegetables for their cleansing qualities, baked ones as food, and baked and stewed fruits as a less aggressive dissolver of poisons and mucus to moderate the elimination in severe cases. That is one of the most important principles of the system, a point the raw food fanatic ignores entirely. Eating raw potatoes, raw cereals, and unfired pies is, in my opinion, absurd and worse than if they were carefully baked, which means developing the starch into at least partly digestible gluten and grape sugar. So today we are going to get into the apple pie bowl. But first, if you don't know who I am, I'm Professor Spira. I've practiced something called the Mucusless Diet Healing System for over 21 years. I've been able to help thousands of people transform their lives using the methods found in this book. And today, for a limited time, you can get some free training with me. Go down below, click the link, sign up for my free training if you have any issues like fatigue, gas and bloating, chronic constipation, any kind of headache issues, joint pain, nerve pain, whatever is happening. If you're having any of these issues, then you want to take advantage of this training session. There's numerous available sessions. I've made it so no matter what your time zone is, no matter what your schedule is, you can find yourself a time that suits you to come and enjoy this training. Totally free. Click the link. It's not gonna be available forever. See you over there. Now, Monica, Hannah, and Mia, take it away.
Hi, welcome to our new video about, what's your recipe, Hannah?
Apple pie bowls.
All right.
And this pie doesn't have any crust. It's totally mucus-free.
All right, let's get started. What are we gonna need?
Apples,
Apples,
dates,
and
sugar,
cinnamon. No sugar. This is our sugar, right? And lemon, a bowl of water for when we're done peeling the apples, that keeps them from browning.
An apple slicer. Apple peelers.
Yep. And that's it.
Oh,
Why did you choose the apple pie bowl as your recipe?
because it helps me get off apple pie with crust. It helps you get off pie crust. This one's crust.
How do you feel about cooking your fruit?
Oh my God! Who would do such a thing?
I like cooked apples. Yeah, they taste real good. Especially dates. I love dates.
My apple did a somersault. Oh, and we also want to thank my friend Maciel who let us pick apples from her apple tree for this video. He also loves apples, so whenever we're making a recipe, we share with him.
He loves fruit. Imagine making a sun-dried tomato pie for a savory pie.
I'll put it under there.
See? Last one.
Next, we're going to be cooking them, so give us just a minute.
All right, first we're gonna start by stewing the fruit. The apples. We got a cup, 2 cups of apples.
6 cups of apple.
6 cups of apples. And instead of using oil, since it's really weird to use with fruit stew,
I couldn't have said it better myself.
we're gonna use a lemon. 2 whole lemons, but 4 pieces.
And you gently stir occasionally to keep the apples cooking.
And our last lemon half. Okay, what's next? 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we got 1 cup of dates. Chopped dates with no seeds. Oh, there we go. Looking really nice. And with this. Sizzling. Mama! It's sizzling.
All right, that means it's almost done.
You guys smell it?
Oh my God, that smells so good.
It's almost done.
You stir so gracefully.
Look how pretty that is.
Now we just stew the apples for about 5 to 10 minutes until they get soft. Just a little soft, not too soft. How's it feel, Hannah?
Feels and tastes delicious. It doesn't feel as soft yet.
Okay,
Feels
a
delicious.
couple more minutes of cooking.
You can make this recipe over and over again. It'll be delicious. No matter what. As long as you make it with love.
So how's it coming along, Hannah?
Ooh, it's starting to feel soft.
Is this your favorite part of making it? Watching the smells all come together?
Yeah. Well, smells all come together. But my favorite part is eating it. Ready, Mama?
Yep.
Try it.
So this is the final result of our apple pie bowl. We like to put it in a pie pan because it's fun. And also the other fun part about this is we put it in one dish. That way we all have to share. And that's the fun part of eating together. How's it taste, Hannah?
Delicious. I love it.
Epic. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you make an apple pie bowl for you and your family too.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Doesn't that look amazing? And I love these kind of recipes. These were such a game changer in my own practice in the early days, where the baked fruit, stewed fruit, for whether it's baked banana, baked apples. Put a little nutmeg and cinnamon in there, and they got the dates in there and the lemon juice. Oh man, that is amazing. And it's not as aggressive as the raw fruit. And so it's like right in between. You can be more aggressive, but if the vegetables are way less aggressive, that baked fruit, stewed fruit is right there in the middle, as we like to call what we do mucus-free. The Mucusless Diet Healing System is the dietetic middle path. This is the middle path, the most rational of all of the systems, the most dynamic. When I use the word dynamic, I'm saying you can go all the way over here to dry fasting, water fasting, juice fasting, all the different levels of fasting, all the way over to eating cooked mucus forming foods. It's all within this grand system, and I encourage you to take full advantage of all the different elements that's permitted in this system. Don't cut yourself off from tools that you might need that can be useful for you just because you want to try to be perfect. And you'll notice in the transition diet lesson 15, the first section on transition diet, for the whole first month, there is no raw fruit recommended. You're eating cooked fruit. You're eating baked fruit to get started on your transition, whether it's baked banana. For instance, take a look at menus for the second 2 weeks. So for your lunch, first a baked apple, applesauce, or other stewed dried fruits. After 10 or 15 minutes, a combination salad, as suggested in the first menu. And this is just one example. This is what I like to call Eric's 2-course meal, where you start off with fruit meal, or fruit course, then wait 15-20 minutes, and you follow it up with your combination salad, any kind of baked vegetable that you're gonna use. This is how you do it. This is a real transition. This is what the transition looks like. So I encourage you to study the information in here. I encourage you to go down below, take the free training that I created specifically for you to bring you up to speed. It's the way to actually accelerate your education faster than any other resources that are out here. This will get you pinpointed in on exactly what you need to be doing. Click that link. The training's not going to be around forever. And go down below also, hit the like button, hit the share button, share this information, share this recipe with the world. This is how we will transform our bloodline, transform our health, doing it one bite at a time, one stewed apple at a time, and have fun while you do it. So I want to thank Monica, Mia, and Hannah. Go down below in the comments section and express your gratitude to them. If you learned something, if you're now excited about making some cooked fruit, then let us know. And until next time, peace, love, and breath. And before you go, I want you to take a look right here. And right here, this is another video that is made specifically for you. This is a wonderful video, and I encourage you, click here right now, go over there, and I will see you right there.